For 19.7, problem solving represent data. How can showing information in a graph help you solve a problem? Brad sees many animals at the park. How can you find how many animals Brad sees? What information am I given? The number of rabbits, birds, and deer in this picture. What is my strategy? I can count. C-O-U-N-T. Count. Show how you solve the problem. Alright, so first what we're going to do is we're going to look at the picture. I see deer, I see rabbits, and I see birds. So we're going to count each one. I'm going to start with the rabbits first. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to color in 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I see 2 deer. So we'll color in 1, 2. Now I see birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to color in 6. All right, so now we have the number of animals. So we can add them all together. We have 3 rabbits, we have 6 birds, and we have 2 deer. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So there are 11 animals. Good. Make a graph to solve. Jake has 4 more train cars than Ed. Ed has 3 train cars. Ben has 2 fewer trains than Ed. How many train cars does Jake have? Okay, so we're given information. Whoops. We're given information, and we know that Ed has 3 train cars. So let's go ahead and color in Ed. 1, 2, 3. Jake has 4 more train cars than Ed. So if Ed has 3 and Jake has 4 more means what? Addition or subtraction? Addition. So we're going to add 4 plus 3, which is going to turn into 7. So Jake has 7 trains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Ben has 2 fewer trains than Ed. Fewer means addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So if Ed has 3 train cars and Ben has 2 fewer, that means 3 minus 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, now we can add up how many train cars we have in total. So how many train cars does Jake have? So look at the graph. Jake has 7 train cars. Very good. Marla has 8 dolls. These dolls have blue eyes. The rest, or 3 dolls have blue eyes. The rest have brown eyes. How many dolls have brown eyes? So 3 dolls have blue eyes. 1, 2, 3. So she has 8. So if 3 out of those 8 have blue eyes and the rest have brown eyes, that means 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is what? 5. So that means there are 5 brown-eyed dolls. 5 brown-eyed dolls. All right. Write a question you can ask your friends. So if we were in the classroom, we would do this all together. And we would come up with a question, but since we're not in the classroom, I am going to give us a topic. Let's do favorite animal. Oops. Animal. Okay, and then we will ask each other who's the favorite animal. So we can have cats, dogs, or birds. Okay, and then today during our Google session, I will ask you guys, and we will get how many. Actually, no, I'll just give you a number. Okay, so we have 3 cats, 2 dogs, and 5 birds. Okay, so how do we take those numbers and transform them into tally marks? Each number gets a tally mark. So if there's 3, then there's going to be 3 tally marks. 1, 2, 3. If there are 2 dogs, there are going to be 2 tally marks. And if there are 5 birds, there are going to be 5 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 2, 5. Okay, use the tally chart in exercise 4 to make a bar graph. The favorite animal, because we always have to include a title. We can't just have data and no title. Favorite animal. All right. So we had cats. I'll put C for cats, D for dogs, and B for birds. So we had 3 cats. 1, 2, 3. We had 2 dogs. 1, 2, 3. And we have 5 birds. 3, 4, 5. All right. Use the bar graph to write a question, then solve it. Nah, we'll skip that part. Okay. Nina asked 20 children this question: what is your favorite fruit? Then she made a bar graph. All right. How many children chose grapes? Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So they're trying to trick you guys because she asked 20 people, but they only show 16 bar graph because she spelled paint on her graph. Okay, so how many children chose grapes? Look at the graph, look at the grapes, follow it all the way to the top, and the number goes to 9. So 9 children chose grapes. How many children chose bananas? We see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here's my problem. If we have 3 right here, and 9 right here, and 4 right here, we have only added up to 16. And she asked 20 people. So it's not just 1, 2, 3, 4. It's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people chose bananas. All right. Use the bar graph at the top. How many more children chose grapes than apples? So grapes are at 9, apples are at 3. Are we doing addition or subtraction? We are doing subtraction. So 9 minus 3 is what? 6. Very good. All right. All right, write a question we can ask our friends. We're going to talk about favorite food. We're going to have pizza, cake, or ice cream. If you could choose pizza, cake, or ice cream to eat, which one would you choose? Okay, so I'm going to give pizza 5, cake 2, and ice cream 3. So how do we translate that into data? We are going to make it tally marks. So pizza has 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cake has 2, so 1, 2. And ice cream has 3. 1, 2, 3. So 5, 2, 3. Use the tally chart to make a bar graph. So we have pizza, cake, and ice cream. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Now don't forget to label it because we need our labels. Favorite food, and this is types of food, and this is people. All right, let us move on. What is your favorite breakfast? Lily asked some friends this question, then she made a bar graph. So we have number of children, our favorite breakfast, and kinds of breakfast. We have pancakes, cereal, and eggs. Now notice how every part of this graph is labeled. When we create data, we have to label it. How many children chose pancakes? So let's look at pancakes and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people chose pancakes. How many people chose eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people chose eggs. How many fewer children chose cereal than pancakes? Well, first, if we're comparing the two numbers, are we doing addition or are we doing subtraction? When it says fewer than, what are we doing? We are doing subtraction. So we're comparing cereal and pancakes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. All right. Then we have our unit assessment. And you guys are going to take that tomorrow.